How to change TikTok post after posting it. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Also check on your internet connection just to make sure you have a stable connection on your device to get the process further. Now what you simply need to do after logging in is tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So let's tap on the icon at the bottom right corner, and as we tap on the profile section over here, it will show us all the posts that we have done over the period of time. So let's see all the posts over here. So here's the post that we have done. Now if you want to change it, or if you want to make certain changes, what you can simply do is we can just tap on it and start editing, but it's getting posted, so we can just wait for a little while. So it's not posted yet as it shows, so let's wait over here. So it's posted over here. Now let's tap on it, and as we tap on it, simply what we can do is start editing. So here simply tap on three dotted lines over here, and as you tap on three dotted lines, you can simply see different options at the bottom. So let's scroll it to the very end, and here you can see the option of edit post. Select on edit post over here, and as you tap on edit post, here you can simply add cover, you can change the cover, you can add a title, descriptions, hashtags and mention. You can also add alternative text and so on. But beyond that, we'll not be able to change anything over here. You can simply tap on save, and that's how you can edit or change the TikTok post after posting it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.